I've been having terrible trouble with this Fimo liquid. I'm trying to use it as a glaze. I've got 2 pieces of baked clay, 2 pieces of raw clay. I'm going to do a thin and a thick, and then I'm going to bake it so that you can see the results I'm getting. This is Fimo clay, Fimo Professional. So, I'm just going to take a bit off this one because I put a bit too much on. So this one is going to be the thin. So I'm just taking it off with my brush and putting it on the other one, which is going to be my thick. I'm just taking it up to the edge, put a bit more on, but I don't want it to go over the edge, so but that's quite thick. Now thick on this side. I'll just take a bit more here. Right. So I'm putting this video out, and I'm hoping I'm going to get some answers from people out there as to why I'm getting such awful results. And I thought if I put a video of what I'm doing, maybe someone will spot what I'm doing wrong. So, put a bit more on, just so that we've got a thick and a thin. Okay, there we go. So I've got it on my baking tray. I've got an oven thermometer here just to show everyone that I've got the oven at the right temperature. So it's just getting up to temperature now. There we are. 27. I think that's going to be okay. I don't want it to go over 130, but it looks like it's slowing down. It's a fan oven and I've got it on 120. So yeah, I think that's going to be right. So the temperature's dropped now, of course, but I'll give it half an hour. Which will be plenty of time, I'm sure. So I'll come back to this when it's cooked. So these are out of the oven now, and I hope you can see that it hasn't worked, and this has happened. I must have done about 50 tests, and this happens every time, and I've used 2 different bottles of the Liquid Fimo. So you've got the thick and the thin, and you can see this the same results. It lumps in the middle and has drawn away from the edges. And on this one here, even though I put on so much that it spilled off the edge, it's actually not even on this side at all. So please help me. I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. I do exactly the same with the Sculpey products, and I don't have this result. I don't have this problem at all. I never have, not even once. But I don't like the finish I'm getting on the bacon bond and the transparent glaze. So yeah, Yeah, I'm a bit depressed because I do like the finish on this product. So any suggestions will be gratefully received. Thank you.